You're welcome back here. This is Banking Crypto Night. In this video, I want to show you and I want to share this information with you on how to earn, that is how to make money on the Ubit exchange, on the UBITEX, without staking money on their finance here. On their finance here, you can see this they are staking right now. That is, on their staking you can earn up to 0.60% daily, up to 0.50% daily, up to 0.70% daily, up to 0.80% daily, and 0.85% daily when you go for their staking. If you need more videos on how to go along with all this staking, the explanation, I will drop the link on the description of this video. Just check the video out there, you will see everything on how to go about it. But in this video, I'm just going to show you, I'm just going to share update with you on how to make money on this Ubit exchange without even staking. So if this is your first time here on this channel and you have not subscribed to this channel, I will advise you to subscribe to this channel so that anytime I drop another video, more video, you keep on seeing the video notification on your phone screen coming from Banking Crypto Night. So right now, subscribe and hit that bell button behind it so that you can be receiving notification all the time. So right now, let's go deep into it. So right now, all you need to do if you want to make money on Ubit exchange without staking, this is what you're going to be doing. For instance, when you register your Ubit exchange on the UBITEX, go up here and do your KYC. So after you do your KYC, the next thing you will have to do, if you don't want to stake, if you don't want to go for this finance, so the next thing, or if you don't want to use any money, so the next thing to do is to just use this invite friends. Invite your friends or to Ubit exchange. Explain everything you know about the Ubit exchange finance for them, that is Ubit exchange staking. Explain everything for them. If you don't know more about it, you still check the description of this video, you see a link to my video where I explain everything about this Ubit exchange staking there, so that you can learn more about it. So after you know more about it, all you need to do is to share your referral code, that is invite code, to them. This one right here, this one, or you can give them your invitation code to register on Ubit exchange. So after that, introduce them to the staking. And one thing is that this is how it's going to work. The minimum they can stake is $100. There are some people that are staking this $7,000 and some are staking up to this $10,000 and some $100,000. You cannot say that this person did not have money. Many people have money, but you don't know. So for instance, let's say someone you invite someone, and that person was able to stake about, you can see my balance here, you can see how much I've earned so far from it, $1,000. And for instance, let's say that person stake $1,000, or you have a team that have up to $1,000 everything. So let me and that person will be getting for instance, let's say that person stake, or average of your team members go for the 90 days period, which is this one that will be giving them 0.70% daily. That is it for the average. Let's say average. Some people will go for this, while some will go for this. The higher they go, the higher you will make. So for instance, let's say they go for the 90 days period and they have up to $1,000 as staking capital. They will be earning 0.70% of that 1000, why you will be earning 15% from whatever they earn, 15% from whatever they earn without depositing any money. Let me show you how much you'll be earning. So right now I head back to my calculator, and let's do the calculation. Let's say your team have $1000 in as a capital. Your team will be making 0.70% of it, which is $7 every day. Then you will be making 15% of that $7 every day. That is $1 every day. You will be making $1 every day without even doing anything. That is, your team money is working for you because you introduce them to a good business, so their money is also working for you. It's not working only for them, but it's working for you. So imagine, let's say you have a team that have $10,000, or someone that deposits $10,000. That person will be, and it go for the 90 days own. Remember, they can go for the 360 days own, which will be earning them 0.85% daily. But let's just say they go for the 90 days old, which will be giving them 0.70% daily. That is $7, and you will be making 15% of it. 15% of it. So you will be making $10 of it without even doing anything. And remember again, your team, if your team members invite another people in, that means those people will be your indirect team member, and you will be making money off from them. Also, will be making more money from those people. Also, you'll be making more money from those indirect people that your team member invite. They have actual amounts you will be making on that also. So this is one of the things you can do to make money on Ubit exchange without even deposit. So the second one is, even on this invite here, if you look here, you see that I make a $28 from here, and you can see $28 only from a trade, that is trade of 18 people, just trading from 18 people, and I make $28.76. This money you see here, I made it just because people use either this, or they use either this future, or they use trade ordinary this trading here. Maybe they just do the spot trading, maybe they buy UB or sell, or they buy Bitcoin from here, any other crypto, they buy Solana or something like that. They buy and sell like that. You will be making your own profit percentage from whatever they do on this exchange. You will be making whatever they do. You'll be making your own profits from it. So these are two ways you can earn money on Ubit exchange without even depositing money on it. And you can make a lot of money. Right now, Ubit exchange coin is doing marvelous, is doing great. You can see 1 hour charting today. You can see it going up every single day. Let me put it to one day time frame, and you will see that every single day Ubit exchange price keep on going up. You can see it launched at this amount, $0.1. That is in April. It was launched in April, and this is October, and the price is around this area. You can see this token has increased very high. It has increased very high. You can see it. How I wish you have invested in this area. For those people that want to invest, you would have make a lot of money when it comes to this place. So that is just it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you find it helpful. So guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye for now. If you need a link to join Ubit exchange, check the description of this video. You will see a link there, or you can just use this direct. Use this invitation code, but just check the description of this video, you will see the link there. So guys, that is all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment and share. So guys, goodbye for now.